Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to enhance your space with soothing water sounds and a touch of elegance, you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing the best tabletop fountains that blend style and relaxation. Whether for your home or office, these fountains will create a peaceful atmosphere. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. HoMedics 8 25-inch Tabletop Water Fountain. Transform your space into a serene retreat with this decorative tabletop fountain. Its elegant three-tier design allows water to gently cascade, creating a peaceful and calming atmosphere. The built-in submersible pump ensures continuous circulation, preventing algae growth. Additionally, the soft lighting enhances the flowing water, making it an ideal nightlight for a bedroom or nursery. At approximately 7 inches wide and 8 inches high, its compact size makes it perfect for a table centerpiece. Weighing just 1 pound, it's the lightest option on our list and highly portable. The fountain includes a set of river rocks for decoration, which can be arranged in the tiers or the deep basin. It also comes with a power cord and adapter for easy setup and operation. To minimize vibrations, use pads or mats under the fountain pump when placing it on a table. The convenient on-off switch allows for easy control, making it simple to operate. For optimal performance, use distilled water and avoid running the fountain with plain water for extended periods to prevent damage to the pump. Keep in mind that if the pump is damaged, it is not reparable, which is one of the main drawbacks of this fountain. Pros: compact size, peaceful sound and soft glow, lightweight and portable, built-in pump and lights / includes river rocks. Cons: limited to indoor use. Number 2. B-Babe 15 7-inch Rock Cascading Tabletop Fountain. If you're seeking relaxation and a connection to nature, this rock cascading tabletop fountain is the perfect choice. Crafted from durable sedimentary resin, it's built to last while mimicking the serene flow of water over natural rock formations. Measuring 10 3x10 2x8 this fountain boasts a realistic stone appearance. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to relocate. A white LED light is placed in the bottom bowl, casting a gentle glow. The fountain's pump is strategically positioned to minimize noise, allowing the soothing sound of cascading water to take center stage. This fountain is a fantastic addition to any calming environment, especially in a meditation room. It also makes for an excellent gift or decorative piece for the home. The low LED light enhances the peaceful ambience, and you can enhance its brightness with a 10-watt lamp if desired. To extend the life of your indoor fountain, it's recommended to use distilled water. The charming moss-coated rocks give the fountain a rustic feel, and the crystal-like orb that spins as the water flows down the 4 stone-like tiers adds an extra layer of tranquility, while the built-in LED light creates a calming glow. Number 3. Bits and Pieces Indoor Water Lily Serenity Fountain. If you're seeking an affordable alternative to costly aluminum fountains, the Lily Water Serenity Fountain is an excellent choice. Its gentle water flow creates a soothing, calming sound that enhances any space. The flowers of the fountain are crafted from copper, while the leaves are made from durable iron. Water flows through the flowers, cascading from one to the next, producing a tranquil, cool sound. Standing at 11 inches tall, this fountain is perfect for placement anywhere in your home. Weighing just 2 pounds, it's easy to move and set up. The fountain operates automatically once plugged in, as it doesn't feature an on-off switch. The bowl at the base is made from black plastic, adding a simple yet elegant touch. This fountain is especially suited for the bedroom, where its peaceful sound can promote relaxation. The lower section of the fountain is adorned with multicolored stones, which not only add beauty but also help prevent water spillage. To ensure longevity, always use distilled water, as damage to the pump can render it unusable. If properly maintained, this fountain can become a stunning highlight in your home. Number 4. Sunny Days 14-inch 5-step Indoor Tabletop Fountain. If you're looking to unwind and bring a touch of rustic charm into your home, the Rock Falls Indoor Waterfall feature is an ideal choice. The gentle flow of water from this 5-tier fountain creates a relaxing atmosphere, with its soothing sound echoing throughout the room. This tabletop fountain fits seamlessly in various spaces, including the bedroom, kitchen, or office desk. Measuring 9 5x7 5x14 inches and weighing 6 pounds, the fountain is compact and stands independently. 3 white LED lights are installed across 3 of its 5 levels, casting a beautiful glow at night that reflects on the walls, enhancing the ambience. To minimize vibrations from the motor, placing a mat under the fountain is recommended. Made from lightweight poly resin and fiberglass, this fountain is easy to move and maintain. Although it doesn't feature an on-off switch, you can control it remotely with an optional switch. Be sure to check for dirt accumulation in the fountain, as it could cause water overflow. Using distilled water helps maintain optimal performance and prevents water wastage. Number 5. Sunjet 4-tier Desktop Water Tabletop Fountain. If you're looking to unwind and enjoy the calming sound of flowing water, this 4-tier desktop water fountain is the perfect addition to your space. Its gentle flow creates a serene atmosphere, helping you relax and sleep peacefully, free from stress. Compact and versatile, the small tabletop fountain fits effortlessly into any room, and its soft LED lighting adds a peaceful glow at night. Crafted from polyresin, the fountain is both lightweight and uniquely designed, with a gray finish that complements any decor. Measuring 9x7x10, it's ideal for placing on a living room table or office desk. The bottom bowl features a single LED light that reflects across the fountain, enhancing its beauty. The fountain runs continuously with its 110V pump, ensuring soothing sound and ambience day and night. The colorful stones placed under the fountain add a decorative touch, while additional stones can be added if desired. For long-lasting performance, it's recommended to use distilled water, as the pump cannot be repaired if damaged. Be mindful of dirt accumulation in the pump, as leaving the fountain off for extended periods can cause buildup. Note that the LED light cannot be turned off separately while the fountain is running.